capital to trade with by proving that I'm one of his top students. Okay, let's go straight to the chart and let's predict the market. In the DJPY in the daily time frame, it was forming low, 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 high, low, low, shift of structure, high, 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 low. Then we got our bullish engulfing candlestick. So for today, what I'm expecting is for price to give me that big pullback to retest this support level, resistance, to retest the daily EMA as well. Then for price to keep going upside. So what I'm waiting for is for price to give me a little bit of a deeper pullback, maybe around these levels, and some kind of bullish engulfing or bullish pin bar or bullish doji rejection candlestick, so I can able to take the trade from here all the way to the upside. I think if it's gonna present itself, I think it's gonna present itself on New York session. I think I'm gonna get my entry on New York session, but I am not that much interested on all of these four pairs. I am very much interested on these two, but we'll see. It all depends which one is gonna give me the first and the cleanest entry. Then I will take that only trade, that one trade. Okay, for today I have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 pairs on my interest, and you already know I always pick 4 5 6, maybe even 7 8 pairs for one day, but I always take one trade. There are even times where I take no trade. Okay, so I am not over trading, you know. I'm just trying to catch that one trade that have the cleanest price action plus the cleanest entry. The second one is Euro GPI. They are all GPI. They are correlated, so they have identical move. This one also, as you can see, price was forming low, low, lower, high, lower, low. We got a shift of structure, high, 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 low. Then lastly, we formed a beautiful bullish engulfing. So this bullish engulfing is telling us that the high low formation is done being formed. Now it's time for the new high high to be formed. That's what it's literally telling us. So for today, what I'm waiting is for price to give me a little bit of deeper pullback to come back and it is this area of interest. It is the daily EMAs and for price to keep going to the upside. Then on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we shifted structure. We were forming lower lows and lower highs, and as you can see, we shifted structure. So I'm waiting for price to give me that pullback to come back and retest the area of interest, retest the 4-hour EMA as well, then for price to continue to go to the upside. So I'll wait for some kind of rejection on this area, bullish candlestick rejection on this area to take the trade. AUD JPY on the daily time frame here also, as you can see, price was forming low, 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 high, low, low, then shift to structure, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, coming back using the previous resistance level or the previous high, high point as a support, and it formed this beautiful bullish rejection candlestick, and it's also retesting this resistance level, support level, resistance level. So for today, I think this is just the downward week, then for price to continue to the upside. And on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, price was forming low, low, lower, high, low, low, then a shift of structure, high, high, higher, low. Right now we are literally on the area where we should start having some kind of reaction. So if this candlestick closes as a bearish candlestick, what I'm gonna expect is for the next 4-hour candlestick to give me a bullish engulfing candlestick. Then I might be interested to take the trade right there. Some kind of bullish engulfing, right, exactly like this. After, if it closes exactly like that, then something like this, and I will take the trade right there. Stop loss might be here. Here will be a very beautiful, a very good strong stop loss. But if you want a tight stop loss, we can put it over here under under the wick of this candlestick, or under the wick of our entry candlestick. Then take profit level will be this first structure point for a 1 to 2. Not bad. So we're gonna wait and we're gonna see how it's gonna play out. Okay, Cardi Chief on the daily time frame, we were forming high, 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 low, high, high. Then we got a shift of structure, we got a pullback. Now we are testing the daily EMA, and lastly we formed this beautiful bearish engulfing candlestick having a body closure under this area of interest. So right now I think it's just coming back to test the area of interest, then for price to continue to drop to the downside. So on the 4 hour time frame, it doesn't look bad. All I'm gonna wait is for price to give me some kind of bearish rejection candlestick from this area of interest, and for me to be interested to take the trade to the downside. Okay, these two are the ones that I'm liking very much. Okay, I'm very much interested to take one of them. As you can see, it was forming a very, very, very strong bearish momentum. As you can see, bro, for how long? It's been what, more than a month? Not a month. No, I'm sorry. For 2 3 weeks, I think. Yeah. Price was on a very strong downward momentum. It was from a low, 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 high, low, low. Then finally we shifted structure to bullish. We formed the high, high. We formed the higher low. We came back in there. We rejected from this strong area of interest, support level, resistance level. It came back and used it as support, and it formed this beautiful bullish engulfing candlestick. So right now, what I'm expecting is for prices, I think, forming that downward week to come back and retest this resistance level, this support level. You wanna see over here, as you can see, it have been used as a support, resistance, resistance, resistance. This is a very, very, very strong area of interest. Also, there are around psychological level, so I think price will reject from this level, then it will continue to go to the upside. And on the 4 hour time frame, look how beautiful it looks. Low, low, lower, high, lower, low. Then we got a shift of structure. Now we are forming that potential high low before price continue to rip to the upside. So I am gonna wait for some kind of bullish rejection candlestick to happen on this area. Then I'll be interested to take the trade to the upside. So to be more specific, if this candlestick closes with us a bearish on this area, then I'll wait for the next one to give me some kind of bullish pin bar, bullish doji, or bullish engulfing. Then I might be interested to take the trade. Or if the next one closes as a bearish or candlestick also, then the third 4 hour candlestick, if it closes as a bullish engulfing, that third candlestick is gonna close on opening of New York session. So still that's a good entry. So I'm gonna wait for these two 4 hour candlesticks. If the next 4 hour candlestick doesn't give me the entry, then I'll wait for the third 4 hour candlestick that opens on it opens on 12 p.m. and closes on 13 or 14, I think. Yeah, 14, exactly on the opening of new session. Or if you wanna on other time session, wait, it closes on 4 p.m. Yeah, 4 p.m. Open on 12 p.m. and the close on 4 p.m. So yeah, we're gonna wait for our entry. The next one that is giving us the entry, I think this is ready. Price was forming high, 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 low, high, high. Then we got shift of structure, and we literally retested it, retest the previous structure point, retest this resistance support level with this beautiful wick. Now I think it's time for price to crop to the downside. And on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, price was forming higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we got a shift of structure, we got a pullback. Now we are forming that beautiful, absolutely beautiful bearish engulfing candlestick. So we need to wait for this 1 hour and 56 minutes to close, and if it closes as a bearish engulfing or even bearish doji, Just I would love to see bearish engulfing, not gonna lie. If you give me some kind of pullback and if it left that downward wick, yeah, I'll be interested to take this trade. Stop loss will be over there above this wick, above this dojo wick, and a little bit of breathing room. Yep, this is a perfect trade. And the first take profit level will be this one, or maybe this one. Okay, let's check the daily time frame. Based on the daily time frame, first take profit level is here. First structure point, this one. So yeah, on the 4 time frame also around that level. It looks fine. You can do it like this. Almost 1 to 3. This is gonna be a very beautiful setup. Okay. Yep, that's it for today. Just to revise for you guys, this one, if you close exactly like this is our entry. If you close exactly like this, I'm gonna wait for the next 4 hours to give me just a little bit of weak pullback. I think if you close as a very strong bearish engulfing, I do not wanna enter the trade on the downside of over here, because I know the next 4 hour will give me this upward pullback. So I'm gonna wait my weak pullback over here, the 4 hour weak pullback, a little bit of weak pullback to come back in, which is the 4 hour EMA in this structure point, that I'll enter exactly right there. So our entry loading euro card. I'm gonna wait for some kind of bullish rejection candlestick on this area to take the trade to the upside. This one also, I'm gonna wait for some kind of bearish rejection on this area to take the trade to downside. AUD some kind of bullish rejection over here to take the trade to the upside. Euro JPY, a little bit of a deeper pullback, then some kind of rejection, bullish rejection candlestick over here to take the trade to the upside. Then lastly, NZD JPY, a little bit of pullback, then some kind of bullish rejection, take the trade to the upside. I am not that much interested on these 4 pairs. These two are the only one that I'm very much interested, but we're gonna see, and we're gonna take the one that give us the perfect entry. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out. Sit in Bogate.